Hi, it's Glenda, and I have here a box that's small, but it's heavy. It's 24 pounds. This is a lot of bath bomb making supplies, and it's from Make Your Own or Chemistry Connection. So here is 1 pound, but I bought 2. And here's the other one of cream of tartar, which helps the bath bombs get set up. Get compacted together. And then I bought goat's milk powder. This was kind of pricey, but it seems it's kind of pricey everywhere. And I plan to use it on bath bombs as well. I don't know, I thought I read somewhere that Cleopatra used to bathe herself in milk. And that's not what I intend to do. However, I have been using powder milk in bath bombs to help them float because it's a lighter, I think, ingredient. And I think it should help somehow the skin. But I don't know for sure. I have soda ash. This I'm not gonna use on skincare stuff. I'm going to use this actually in my laundry room. I add about half a cup to a full laundry load, and it helps change the pH of the water so that the detergent will be more effective, or at least that's the idea behind it. And then it looks like I bought some orange makeup. Good. The one that I have right now, it's too pale, and I was looking for something stronger. This looks bright and nice, so I'll be testing this soon, hopefully. And it looks like they sent me a sample. Hitchcock mica sample. Looks like a red, pinkish. And then the last thing, this is citric acid. This is 15 pounds of it, so I'm not even gonna get it out. I'm just gonna leave it there. Next time I make bath bombs, I'll use it. Hi, it's Glenda, and today I'm unboxing a small purchase from Two Wild Hares, and I wanted to show you. So the main thing I wanted to buy was this tiny mold. I mean, it is tiny. It is to do test fragrance samples, I suppose, or if you ever wanted to make just a small batch. It's 2 inches by 6, so it will give you a small, tall, and skinny bar. Then I bought some boxes. These are designed to fit the soaps that have a loofah inside, but I wanted to see, based on the size, if I can fit my round soaps in it. These ones I made with my PVC pipe. Yeah, and it looks like they fit. So it's a little too tall because it's tall to accommodate the loofah, but it will work for these soaps. It should be fine. And then I bought some boxes just to test them. I normally don't buy this color of boxes, but when you fold them, you can, if you have an embed on top of your soap, then you can see it better. But I worry that it will be exposed to being damaged, so that's what I only bought a small quantity. And here is a quick unmolding of the first soap that I made in this mold. It came out really clean, so I was happy with it. Thank you for joining me, and hopefully I will see you on Thursday for another soap related video. Bye.